In this video, I want to explain the LinkTrackr graphs and charts and how to use them effectively. So we have different charts based on projects. So when you go to a particular project, the first thing you see is the overview of your entire performance for this project. Now you can always switch to a different project by using the drop-down menu over here, and you will still be viewing the same report. Okay, so now let's go back to the default project. So in all of our charts and graphs, a few things are consistent, and I would like to explain it here and will make it easy for you to understand how to get more information. We have tooltips that explain the various terms that we use. Okay, so for example, conversion rate, if you mouse over the eye icon here, it'll give you a definition of the conversion rate, which is total goal conversions divided by visitors and multiplied by 100. And next comes the chart itself. You can actually mouse over on any point of this chart to get the actual data for that time frame. Third, you can always change the reporting time frame over here. So these are some preset configurations: last 24 hours, today, yesterday, last 7 days, etc. But you can also select a custom date. So to select a custom date, first choose the start date, then choose the end date, and then you can click on apply. Next, all our reports are based on tabs, so you can always click on the different tabs over here. And some reports may have smaller sub-reports. Right underneath the chart or the graph, you'll see a table as well. So the data that is reflected in the table is directly corresponding to what you see in the graph or chart. But with the table, you have more options. You can search. Just use the search box over here, and we will filter through the results. And now the chart will show you whatever data is corresponding to your search term over here. Okay. Next, you can choose to display more results per page. By default, we only show you a limited number of results, but you can see under the chart here, okay, the total number of entries, and you can also see the pagination here. So you can click on page 2, etc. to see the next set of results for this particular report. But if you want to view more, you can always change the sorting options here or the view options here, and you can see more data on any single page. Next, you can also sort the columns. So for example, if I want to view the reports by the total visits, for example, I can click on visits, and you will see a small little triangle there showing you the sorting order, whether it's ascending or descending, and you click again, it will change the sorting order. Okay. And at the bottom of every report, you will see a link to download this report in Excel. When you click on that link, it will automatically start to download the report that you see here. When you open the downloaded file, it should be in CSV format, which is actually a very basic format that you can use to open it in multiple types of applications, but the most popular, of course, is Microsoft Excel. So once you open it in Microsoft Excel, you can then get all the data here, and you can do your own calculations. You can extract certain data only. You can also create a filter and create your own charts or graphs if you want to. All right, let's go back there. And finally, there's also, right from the top navigation menu, direct links to some of the reports that you see here. So that's how easy it is to use the reports that are provided in LinkTrackr.